When you're too lazy to shut off the lights. Hell yeah.
Efficiently, like you see them in movies and when the legs are going like this. But really, they should be going backwards, man, so they can move fast.
Mom! Come get the fucking cats, Ma! Hey, you guys, stop! Stop fighting! Hey, what the fuck?
Tova, are you okay? Your tail is in the water. You can move your tail of your own accord. You don't have to use your paw.
Bailey, can I have my Skittles back? Come on, those are mine. Hey!
Invited.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who